Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please subscribe. Do not leave without subscribing. Just make sure you click on that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Now, let's take a look at GBP USD for this week. One thing we know for sure is we were going to close bearish. GBP USD will definitely drop this week. But the thing is that some couple of corrections will actually play out. The thing is that we need to have a better entry point to go ahead and sell. So we are going to try to analyze it and see if we will be able to spot some entry points. Now let's start with the trend. First, we can see the full trend. Was a bearish move. Then price started giving us this bullish move. Now we are now on a bearish move and price will continue to drop. Probably in next 3, 4, 5, 6 months, we should be able to take out this low. So a new low should be formed. That is what we will be looking at in the long run. GBP USD will drop. And one of the reasons why we're having this drop on GBP USD is because dollar or our DXY is now giving us an uptrend move. There is a bullish move on DXY. So definitely any PS you will be trading to USD must drop, be it your euro to USD, be it your AUD to USD or anything. This one that we are trading is GBP USD. So we would expect GBP to USD actually drop. So basically, we can see that this price is now below the 10 period simple moving average. A correction has been made. So we would be expecting a drop. So this week that we are predicting for, we should see it close bearish. That is what I am watching out for. So for this bearish move, let's see if we can grab about 100 to 170 pips. This is the level that I am watching out for the week, 1.18639. If we don't hit it this week, then upper week we should be able to hit it. So at least we have about 2 weeks to be able to hit this level. That is a level of 1.18639. So that will be giving us about 170 plus pips. Like I said, 180 pips if you are to sell it. So I mean that's we should be able to achieve it in a week or 2 weeks time. So this is a movement I will call an impulse move downward. This will be taken as a correction. Then another impulse move. Here happens to be a correction. Now this is another impulse move and a correction is playing out here. So once this correction is over, though the correction might push up a bit though, but once this correction is over, definitely guys, USD, or as we can call it DXY, anyhow, our GBP to USD will definitely drop. So this is one of the reasons why I've created a Patreon channel. What I intend to do is put out a probability trade, winning trade, by the way. Most of the trade that I've actually put on that channel are actually winning trade. Yes, we might not be 100% correct, but I can assure you that we will be more than 70% correct in that trade we will be putting out there. Instead of blowing your account, I know most of you are taking trade, you are losing, you are blowing your accounts multiple times. Why don't you just become one of my subscribers right in a month? Give it a try. Why don't you try for this month and see if your account is going to increase? I'm going to give you good winning trade. Once you follow my trade and you apply risk management, I can assure you that your account will change for the better. You would have a good trade. Like I said, better trade is what I'll be giving out today. So I've actually put out trade we will be looking at for on Monday. We are watching out for 2 trade on Monday and also trade for the week. Short trade, we are going to achieve it. I've already put it out there. So last week that finished, we know we took a trade for Nasdaq 100 on Monday. We got the trade. We took a trade for the week, which is USD Singapore dollar. We hit the trade also, we won on it. Natural gas also, we also won on it. So basically, majority of all the trade that I've put out are actually a win. So last week we were actually on a profitable week. Last week we are actually on a profitable week. This week that we are predicting for, it will also be a profitable week. So once you become my Patreon subscriber, you will get a treat for sure. I can assure you. Once the month end or one this time next month or the month end and you don't find the value that I promise you, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Like I said, I'll give you a better trade. So back to my analysis, I will be expecting a correction upward, a little bit of a bullish move should play out before GBP USD will drop. Maybe once the price taps this moving average, before the price drops or it breaks above it a bit. Let's see what this 10-20 period moving average will actually show us. It will actually say maybe price can eventually come up close to the 20 period moving average before it drops. So basically, we are still below the 10 period simple moving average. So we might see price go bullish a bit, right? Then this 20 period moving average would have dropped because once this price continues to push up, this moving average will continue to drop, to at least be close to it before we kind of, get that final drop on GBP USD. Like I said, the entry point matters a lot. So we would want to see what this 4 hour time frame says. So let's see if this will be an impulse move, then a correction, another impulse move. You can see it on a 4 hour time frame. A correction has been made to tap our 10 period. It has broke above our 10 period moving average, even tapped our 10-20 period moving average. I expect to find a rejection here. Probably this might be an entry point to sell. Probably this might be an entry point to sell. So watch out for it. Like I said, become one of my Patreon subscriber. I will put the link in the comment section below. I'm going to give you a better trade for the week and for the day.